And lest I forget, it's Valentine's, and Valentine's is time for the stars to actually express themselves on Valentine's, and the cast and crew of Kai Pochi is doing just that. But I thought they were an all-boys crew. Well, all boys can have Valentine's too, can't they? Well, they certainly are having their fun.
Happy Valentine's Day to you.
I love doing Greek character.
It's a blue Valentine.
वैलेंटाइन डे के दिन क्या नहीं करना मैं लड़कों को बताता हूँ. तू कहे तो मैं बता दूं. गाने मत भेजना, टेडी बेयर मत भेजना.
Amit is single. He's ready.
Happy Valentine's Day to you. Happy Valentine's Day to you. Happy Valentine's Day to you.
Well, love is in the air, but certainly it seems like we seem to be in a very blue mood. Why is it so, Amit?
Blue?
Yeah.
We all
We are all like,
except him.
yeah, he's in a grey mood. He's worse than us.
No, I love doing Greek characters. So that's why.
And it's a blue Valentine.
It's a blue
Because Blue Valentine is we are leaving the girls and we are with the boys.
Yeah.
So that's called Blue Valentine. But I think you know what? Let's have a rule. This Valentine Day, girls have to give gifts to us. Yeah.
No matter if they take our credit card with them, but yeah, they have to give us the gift.
And you know what? We can buy them. We can buy them Hallmark cards.
Is there any one particular song that you possibly sing for?
मैंने गाना बंद कर दिया.
Sorry.
मैंने एक बार गाने भेजे थे एक लेडी को, वो टेप वापस आ गया था. अब मुझे समझ में आ गया है कि वैलेंटाइन डे के दिन क्या नहीं करना मैं लड़कों को बताता हूँ. गाने मत भेजना, गाना तो कतई मत. टेडी बेयर मत भेजना. उसके अलावा जो करना है कर लेना. ये दो चीजें नहीं. और बलून तो मतलब फोड़ देना सारे बलून. बलून लेके जाओगे तो चाटा बाद पहले मतलब बलून बाद में फटेगा, पहले तुम्हारा गल फटेगा. मेरे दिल में आज क्या है तू कहे तो मैं बता दूं. तेरी जुल्फ फिर सवारूं, तेरे मांग फिर सजा दूं. मेरे दिल में आज क्या है तू कहे तो मैं बता दूं.
अच्छा, हाँ मैंने कुछ तो आने वाला.
कुछ तो you got inspired man. अकेले हैं तो क्या गम है, चाहे तो हमारे बस में क्या नहीं, बस एक जरा साथ हो तेरा. तेरी तो है हम टेंग 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 कब से Kim sing.
Oh.
Yeah.
I don't know songs. I don't sing.
You lip sync. I'll sing for you.
Okay. रूठे ख्वाबों को मना लेंगे, गड़ी पतंगों को थामेंगे. हो है जज्बा, हो है जज्बा, सुलझा देंगे उलझे रिश्तों का मांझा. मांझा, मांझा. आजा.
Yeah.
Okay, what to know from is your amazing chemistry between the three of you. Do you think that Karan Johar and Tarun Mansukhani should kind of pick the three of you and make,
They
those
should
kind
make
of within...
Bhai Tana now.
Okay, no.
Because we are brothers for life. Let's make Bhai Tana.
Okay. And if you had to say one each quality about, each one of you as to why people should come out and date, the three of you.
I think Raj is very, I would say, honestly romantic.
Okay.
And he can be very pleasantly, surprisingly romantic. Amit.
Wow.
What about you?
I think for Sushant, I think for Sushant, I think he's such a dashing boy.
I think Sushant can be unpredictably romantic.
Yeah. Actually, with Sushant, I think he admires his love. His love won't be hidden from anyone. He can openly say who he loves. So that's a very rare quality. And I think he'll be loyal.
Huh?
And what about Amit?
Amit is single. So he has so much love to give. I think just come and grab it. He's ready. And he has so much love to give. ये दिल की उसके दिल हैं ये.
बहुत शैतान है लोग इनकी बातों में मजा आएगी.
Okay, Amit, what about you? What do you have to say about your two co-stars?
ये लोग क्या करेंगे प्यार तो बहुत सीखना है अभी इन लोगों को. Actually, yeah. I think Sushant. I think he's like a man who'll keep his girl very safe, and he'll be, he has the right sense of possessiveness and the right sense of being liberal, and I think that's a great quality in a man. And yeah, and look at him, he's a good-looking guy, man. I mean, any girl would like to. I mean, any girl would like to date him. With Raj, I think Raj. I honestly admire Raj. There was a time I was like Raj, and I think he's just his honesty. They're kind of people who shout over the rooftops, and they're honest. But then this guy is just a silent guy. But his honesty is just within, and he has a great girl, and they're really amazing together.
Alright, this Valentine's one thing that people should definitely do, and that you gave us.
Actually, we would like to inform everyone because this is just breaking news on only your channel headlines today. That this time, according to the Chinese calendar, Valentine's Day is on 22nd February, and just because of that, our film Kai Po Che
It's also coming
coincident,
on.
it's coincident actually.
It's amazing.
So I think this Valentine, go to a cinema hall near you, buy some nice popcorn for your girlfriend, and get whatever you want, and sit and enjoy a beautiful film, and have a great Valentine.
And whole day just keep watching it,
Yeah,
And 14th is basically a warm-up day. 14th you can decide.
Decide
Who's
which
your
Valentine
contender?
you want to go with.
Where do you whom do you want to go?
But then decide. Once you decide,
Then stick to it.
stick to it.
Then 22nd go with that person.
Yeah.
Don't change.
Or
Just
you can
stick
have
to it for
2-3
7
Or there are
days,
5 or 10 shows in a day, so you can actually. That's
Go
up to you.
different
I'm not suggesting anything. That's up to you.
Alright. Thank you so much for a fun interview, and we hope that your film does really well. As for the rest of them who are watching right now, do catch Kai Po Che on the 22nd.
On Valentine's Day.
On Valentine's Day. Have an extended Valentine weekend maybe with camera person Vaibhav in Mumbai, Rashma Shetty Bali for Headlines today.